First, this is not the original one that I wanted to show, but today's morning's presentation from Rodrigo inspired me to show all of you this information that because of sometimes we get similar requests in our support channel, so it's how we could monitor user growth in our Jira instance, or as in Rodrigo case, status changes, or something else that we would like to get information on daily basis imported into eazyBI, but it's like a snapshot on every day. And before incremental import, it wasn't possible, but with the incremental import, we can do a bit hack and get this information imported on a daily basis, but not overwritten, but imported new dataset. And so there is import from, I will make a bit larger, from my Jira Cloud site. To get this information, so we need, of course, authentication. So maybe if you don't know, username and password will not work. You will need to generate your access token. So you can do it by going to your manage account, security, and there are API token place where you can generate this API token and then use this token as your password. To get information from REST API, you just paste the token in the password field. And then click, so yeah, I already clicked here, but there will be a link to add incremental import options, and click this checkbox to add incremental import. And then you need to add a bit of custom JavaScript code. So I will add a date. There was a special case when we needed to change time zone to different one. By default, it will be UTC, so you can add or subtract some hours to get the actual time zone. And then, in my case, to show that they're actually we collecting changes, I will not do it by hourly basis, not daily, but by minutes. So I'm getting also hour and minute. And the most important part is this source ID column, which I calculating by getting some unique information from the source, like in this case issue type ID, but it can be ID or some unique identifier, like for workflows there is not integer value, but different string values, or maybe it's even not one dimension ID, it may be some combination of multiple dimension IDs if you have a bit complex data source. But most important part, we add at the end this date information, so that we make it unique per day, or in my case per minute. And then we go to the import column mapping screen, and here we have new columns, and we map this date column to the time dimension. And for this source ID, we just click edit and click in this source ID checkbox. I already have my previously imported. I will just import it, because if you import, you will not be able to edit this mapping. You will need to delete data imported. So that's important thing. If you will delete data manually, then all history will be gone. So it will not be kept. That's unfortunately. But if you go now to my report, you can see that I have collected information for some minutes. And if I go now to the Jira settings and create a new issue type, and go back to the eazyBI and click import, and it's important. Then let's try. What is it? And you see that and 1 and 5 minutes we have more issue types imported. And like if I select only this hour and click on issue types. And then maybe rearrange it and add issue type here and remove hour. No, not remove. Get it back. I need this hour. And let's hide empty. So we can see that for almost all issue types we have 2 records, but wait, doesn't find it. But my new issue type has only 1 record. So in such a way you can add another view on your any data source, which is like a snapshot. But if you add this data information to the unique identifier, then you can create snapshot on everyday basis. And then you can add on timeline and see how it grows or decreases, or yeah, do different kind of analysis. Yeah, that's for my first topic.